Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete email signature from Outlook. If you've been using an outdated signature or simply want to clean up your email settings, this process will help you remove unwanted signatures quickly and efficiently. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in so that all your account settings are accessible. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to move forward with deleting that signature. Now, to delete email signature from Outlook, navigate to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. You'll see this tab alongside other options like Home and Send/Receive. Click on the File tab to open up a new menu with various account and application settings. Once the File menu has opened, look for Outlook options located at the very bottom of your File menu and click on it. This is where all the deeper customization settings for Outlook are stored. An Outlook options window will appear with several categories listed on the left side panel. From here, click on the Mail tab on your left side panel. The Mail section controls how your emails are composed, formatted, and sent, which is exactly where signature settings are managed. Under the Mail tab, you'll see a button labeled Signatures. Click on it to open the Signature Management window. This is the central hub for all your email signatures, whether you have one or multiple set up for different purposes. The Signatures window will load, showing you all the signatures currently saved in your Outlook account. Once your signature window has appeared, the process of deleting email signatures is quite straightforward. Under the Select Signature to Edit section, you'll see a list of all your saved signatures. Simply select the signature you wish to delete by clicking on it. Once it's highlighted, you'll notice a Delete button appear right under this section. Click on the Delete button to proceed with the signature deletion. Outlook will immediately remove the selected signature from your account without requiring any confirmation, so make sure you've selected the correct one before clicking. And that's it. You've successfully removed the unwanted email signature from your Outlook account. Your emails will no longer automatically include that signature unless you choose to add a different one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.